In this quick video, I'm going to share with you on how you can factory reset the Xiaomi robot vacuum cleaner. So this is something that you want to do. So you have two options here. First option, when you have turned it on, just hold the home button for like 10 to 15 seconds. Maybe it's going to fix the issue for you. Or what you can do is just you're gonna have, when you're gonna open the lid there, you're gonna have a reset, a small reset, like a button, and you want to take a paper clip or needle or something when you're gonna like opening the SIM card, right, for a phone, and you just want to insert it there. This is something that you need to do. Maybe the reset button is going to be right here, or it's also going to be on the top here. So you just want to locate when it's going to right here, the reset. So this is something that you can do, and this is how you're gonna factory reset the Xiaomi robot. So thank you very much for watching, and I hope this video helped you solving the issue. If it didn't, and I'm sorry, and I hope you're gonna find the solution for it. So thank you very much for watching, and have a great day, and goodbye.